Yo guys, what's up? Merry Christmas! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making my favorite cookies of all time. The Snowman shaped sugar cookie dough cookies by Pillsbury. Ready to bake. Remember these? We pretty much do these every single year. And look at that. Boom. Boom. There they are. So let's go ahead and start making them. What do we have to do here? Okay. Preheat oven to 350. Cookie sheet, yeah, 10 to 12 minutes. Don't overbake. See, that's the problem. Not the overbake, but pre-baking. Like, I don't know, it comes out and it's still kind of doughy. It's just, I don't dig that. And then you get stomach problems, and then it's just like a disaster. It's like, seriously? Oh, anyways, so I remember one year, like, we were trying to find this, and there were none. We went to every store, Ralph's, Walmart, you know, Target and all this, and we couldn't find them. But finally, I don't know which store it was, but we finally got it. But now they're everywhere, so that's good to see. Anyways, so let's get started. I'm going to set everything up right here. Where's the cookie sheet? Hold on. There it is, guys. We got the cookie sheet. So while I was getting that, I preheated the oven to 350. Go ahead and bust this out. Woo! Yeah. Little snowman. Wow. Look at these little guys. I remember when I was really little, I would sneak one of these guys and just start eating it. I don't know why. Like, when I was a kid, I was just so attracted to these dough cookies. Like, seriously, uncooked. Like, what was I thinking? No, we're not gonna do that. Anyways, let's go ahead and spread them out onto the sheets. So there we go. Look at that. Boom. We got one. Yeah. Keep going. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, just like that. Come on out. Come on. Little guy was stuck. Get rid of that. Just, you guys want to eat that? Just wait, hold on. We will though. We will. Yeah. Alright. Okay, yeah. Okay, everyone. So there are 20 cookies, rows of 5. That sounds pretty good, right? 4, 5. Yeah. Okay. Let's get to the kitchen and put these little guys inside. Here we go. Oh yeah. Bye-bye. Let's not undercook it, all right? Timer, 12 minutes. Whoa, 12 minutes. Just like that. Well, 12 minutes, everyone. So, what do we do now? Hey, I got an idea. Let me show you our Christmas tree. Wow. Hey, seriously, take a look at this. This one has to probably be one of the best ones of all time. Like, seriously, check it out. There she is. Look at this thing. Oh, you know how old that is? Wow, we're talking like almost 30 years. Like, seriously. Wow. And this is our new ornament of 2021. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Lights up. Each year we gotta have a new ornament. It's just how it is, seriously. I mean, look at this one. Where's this one from? 2006. See? They're all marked. What about this one? 93. Wasn't even born yet. Yeah, seriously, guys. What do you guys dig that? Christmas all the way. Alright, well, that's gotta at least be 12 minutes, everyone. Seriously, 12 minutes. Let's not undercook it and let's not overcook it. We don't want any of that. So let's get back into the kitchen, pull it out, and eat it all. Nah, I don't know about eat it all, but hey, we'll try, right? All right, let's get in there. Well, it went off, so let's get this out. Ooh, how do they look? How do they look, huh? Fluffed up? So hopefully they aren't doughy. All right, that's the problem. But yeah, I mean, they look good. They look edible. Okay, so the only way to see is if we lift it. But yeah, oh, see that? A little too easy. Yeah, nope. Not, oh, too squishy, yep, all right. Not gonna, oh, yeah, look, oh my gosh. Nope, 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 nope. Back in, let's go. Seriously, come on, back in. Oh, I don't know why, it's been 12 minutes. I mean, I'm doing what the box says. But did that seriously look ready? You tell me. I mean, come on. You know it's not. Let's put it back for 3 minutes, all right? 3 minutes, we'll be back to check. All right, we're back, guys. As you can see, it should be time. Come on now. What is that, like 15 minutes now? Yeah. We gotta do the test. So here we go again. Yeah, a lot better. See how it didn't squish? You hear that? We'll just wait. Hold on. We'll let them cool down and see if they harden up and become what they're supposed to be. So wait. Yeah, that is perfect. We're gonna enjoy these for sure. So let's go ahead and switch this onto the wooden block and take the thumbnail. Okay, we're back on the main camera, everyone. So here they are. Check that out. Ooh. Yeah, Merry Christmas. Let's test them out. So what I'm thinking is I didn't preheat the oven long enough. That's why, you know, they came out the first way still doughy. But that extra 3 minutes, that's what did it. So, well, we'll see. Cheers, everyone. Go ahead and try it out. Crunchy on the outside. Soft in the inside. Remember when I was a little boy, I used to just love these and just couldn't get enough of them. They're just so delicious. But they gotta make sure they are cooked. I just remember times before, you know, I was like, okay, yeah, just let them cool down, maybe they'll harden up. Nope, they're still doughy, and then massive stomach problems after. Wow. Oh, the aftertaste too. Sugar cookies. Oh gosh. ASMR of eating. The crunch on the outside. Mukbang now. Snowman. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm kind of full now. This was my breakfast, my lunch, and if there's still any, then it will be my dinner. Yeah. Well, give this video a massive like, and we'll see you next time. Like and subscribe. Merry Christmas, everyone. Snowman, yeah. All right, bye, 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 bye. Look at that. Look at them. Look at them. Look at that. Seriously, look how cute they are. All right, bye, bye, bye. Yeah, lens cap.